Hello, I'm Randall and today I will show you how to create standard account, manage file permission, and remove an account in Windows. I will show the process step by step from account creation, testing, permission, and account deletion. For creating an account, go to settings or press Windows plus I, then under accounts, go to other users, then add someone else to this PC, then I don't have this person sign in information, and add a user without a Microsoft account. Then input your username and password and security question. Then click next. For testing the permission, just create a folder and add some documents in it. Right click the folder, properties. Under properties, go to security tab, then edit, click add, then type the user's name, then click OK. To test the permission we add, lock the PC or simply press Windows plus L, then log in using the user's account. In here, let's try to delete one of the files inside the folder. When you delete it, you should see a prompt asking for admin permission. Then in here, let's change this user's permission. Log back in as the administrator. Right click the folder, properties, security tab again, then check the modify and click apply, then OK. To verify the new restriction or permission we added, just lock the PC again by pressing Windows L, then log in as the standard user. Find the folder and open it, then open the documents. And here you should be able to modify the contents of the document. And here you can delete the document without asking for administrator approval or permission. And to delete the account, press Window, right click the user, then sign out. After it's signed out, log back in as an administrator, then go to settings again, find accounts, and under accounts, go to other users. Then click the user account, click remove, then confirm the deletion.